Hey guys, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq, and today's recipe is a fish fry. Come, let's go to my kitchen. These are the ingredients needed: half kg fish, small onion, coriander leaves, curry leaves, garlic, kashmiri chili powder, salt, turmeric powder, pepper powder and cumin powder. Quantity is in the description box. You can know from there. Now we have to grind all these ingredients. Onion, 3 onions to be ground. All other onions have to be sliced for frying. This is the ground paste and it looks like this. Now we have to marinate the fish, and here I am marinating the fish and keep it for an hour. After that we can shallow fry it. When the pan is nice and hot, pour oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. When the oil is nice and hot, add fenugreek, few fenugreeks, add curry leaves, onion and garlic. Now put the marinated fish and put the lid so that the fish gets cooked. After a few minutes, turn the side of the fish and cook it once again. And now the fish will be ready to serve. The fish is fried well, and if you want it more dry, you can fry it for a few more minutes. And now it's ready to serve. Hey guys, if you like this recipe, like, comment and share it with your family and friends. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Until next, take care, bye bye.